Omnifinity here, and today I am showing you guys my new computer. I was building this all last week. That's the reason I didn't get a video out on Wednesday last week, and that's also the reason that since I didn't get a video out last week, I'm having 2 videos on Tuesday and Thursday. Well, 1 video on the days, but 2 videos during the week this week instead of on Wednesday. And, yeah, so let's just, well, I already took off the side panel, and I moved it so it's more accessible for you guys to see. And these wires look like they're cluttered everywhere, but if you look around, they're not touching anything. So, I mean, it's fine, because there's no back panel where you can, store the wires, and it's not a clear side cover anyway, so it doesn't really matter. This is the CPU fan under that. My CPU is Intel i5 4790K. The motherboard is a Gigabyte B85M DS3H. Yeah, it's a micro ATX motherboard, and this is a mid-sized tower, if you're wondering. It is sporting 2, I can't really see that, but right here, those are the RAM slots. It's sporting 2 4GB cards of RAM, so it's faster than just one 8GB card because it's divided between the two. And this is the, I'm not gonna touch it, but that's the graphics card, and that is NVIDIA GeForce 750 Ti. I'm charging my phone right now, so I don't really have the best, so I can't really move it that well, so that's why it's in a very awkward position for you guys right now. But this right here is the hard drive. It is a disk drive, and it's 1 terabyte of storage. Up here is the optical drive, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I have a fan right here. Sorry for being up right now. And then also another fan right there. The one on the front is does have a blue LED. And, yeah, so that's pretty much all the specifications. Oh, and it has a 430 watt power supply. And, yeah, it had USB 3.0, which is pretty standard now. And, here is my Wi-Fi adapter thing. It just, I was gonna get a PCI Wi-Fi adapter, but then, I actually don't know why I didn't, but I decided to go for a USB one, and, yeah, so that's a USB 3.0, AC 1200 Wi-Fi adapter. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Also, my display is right here, the monitor. It is a 1080p monitor, which is good. And it has, yeah, but it's not like a 4K TV, monitor or anything like that. It's just, 1920 by 1080, and it's a 22-inch monitor, so it's not that good of a monitor. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you want to see me run some tests on this, just to see how good it is based on speed, like how fast it is, please tell me in the comments. I'm probably not going to unless I get any requests. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and join the Om Nom Army. Omnifinity, out.